Good day everyone. So we are here to discuss about Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. So what is Pearson product moment correlation coefficient? It is a measure of the linear dependence between two variables x and y, giving a value between +1 and -1 inclusive, where 1 is total positive linear correlation, 0 is no linear correlation, and -1 is total negative linear correlation.
Pearson was developed by Carl Pearson from a related idea introduced by Francis Galton in the year of 1880s. Early work of the distribution of the sample correlation coefficient was carried out by Adil Kumar Gait and R.A. Fisher from the University of Cambridge.
And here is the Pearson correlation formula where n is number of pair scores, summation xy is sum of the product of paired scores, summation x is sum of x scores, summation y is sum of y scores, summation x squared is sum of squared x scores, then lastly, summation y squared is sum of squared y scores.
How to apply the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient? By exploring the relationship between two variables, example, as a variable A increases, thus variable B increase and decrease. The relationship is measured by a quantity called correlation.
One of the examples of the usage of the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient is finding the relationship between the age and the glucose level of a person. Pearson correlation coefficient will be used to prove if the older you are, the higher your level of glucose is, or the older you are, the lower your glucose level. Or it could be that the two variables doesn't have a relationship. Gather all the data needed and plot it on a table. The subject, their age, that will be the x, their glucose level, that will be the y, then compute for the xy, x squared, and y squared. After gathering all the data, substitute it on the formula that is given earlier. Then compute. We will have R is equals to 0.5298. As you can see, this is the crude estimates. This is used for interpreting the strengths of the correlation using Pearson's correlation. By looking at the crude estimates, we can say that the result has a strong positive correlation or relationship. It means that the older you are, the higher the level of your glucose. And that's how you use the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. Thank you for watching.